All these homes now been ground to fine powder here. And knocking it down so quick. It's just insane. Don't know what's happened to town. I'm not going to town tonight. I'm only doing Spon End. This is terrible. Sod off bulldozers. Look at this. This is sad. 30 degrees out here and look at all this. Sod off bulldozers. All we can do is call out these demolitions and try and prevent them as much as possible. We're not going to get success with all of them, but surely we can get a lot of success with many. Sod off bulldozers.